Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by checking your mouse hardware and surface. Many gamers prefer 400 to 1600 dpi for predictable movement. Change the polling rate to 500 or 1000 Hz to reduce input lag consistently. Use a high-quality mousepad near 3.5 mm thick to stabilize glide and wear evenly. Confirm your mouse uses an optical or laser sensor and avoid cheap sensors that interpolate or smooth input. Replace worn mouse feet to remove stiction and restore consistent contact with the pad. Next, adjust software to preserve raw movement data from your sensor. Open the OS pointer settings and disable Enhance Pointer Precision to prevent unwanted acceleration effects. In your mouse driver, set exact DPI steps such as 400, 800, and 1200 for consistent scaling. Choose raw input in games or use a client-side tool that honors hardware polling. Set USB polling to 1000 Hz if supported and avoid driver-level smoothing or interpolation options that add latency or smear positions. Finally, refine technique and maintain the device for smooth tracking. Use a stable grip and favor arm movement over wrist flicks to produce larger, steadier sweeps. Clean sensor lenses and mouse feet frequently to prevent tracking errors from dust or oils. Update mouse firmware and driver software to eliminate known smoothing bugs or regressions. Test settings with aim trainers or raw input analyzers at 400 dpi and 1000 Hz to verify direct, unsmoothed movement. Adjust lift-off distance and disable angle snapping for consistent trajectories.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.